Welcome back. Drama series Breaking Bad Season 5 Episode 11. Earlier, Walt had convinced himself that he was still in control. But after killing Mike and losing his partnership with Jesse, the situation has become much more complicated. Jesse is emotionally devastated. Hank is secretly investigating Walt, and Walt's family seems to be more afraid of him. Now, Walt makes one last attempt to protect his empire. But instead of solving his problems, he creates even bigger ones. The episode opens with Walt, Jesse and Saul discussing a major issue. Jesse has discovered that he's out of money. He wants answers, and Walt desperately tries to convince him that the money can be changed. But Jesse is no longer interested in excuses. He wants to go out. At the same time, Walt realizes that Jesse could be a serious threat if he continues to investigate. So Walt starts thinking about how he can hook Jesse up again. And that leads to one of the most disturbing moments in the episode. Walt made a fake confession video. In the recording, Walt admits that Hank forced him into the drug business and manipulated him to get involved in meth production. But the confession is carefully crafted. Walt isn't actually telling the truth. He's developing a weapon. If Hank ever exposes Walt, the video could potentially destroy Hank's reputation and show that he was responsible for everything. It shows how far the Walt has fallen. He's no longer just trying to survive. He is preparing to destroy anyone who threatens him. Meanwhile, Hank continues his investigation. For months, he suspected that Walt Heisenberg is connected to the operation. Now finally he has enough information to start putting the pieces together. But Hank understands something important. He can't just blame Walt. He needs proof. One mistake could destroy her career and possibly put her own family at risk. So Hank keeps the investigation a secret. Even Mary doesn't know what he's doing. One mistake could destroy her career and possibly put her own family at risk. So Hank keeps the investigation a secret. Even Mary doesn't know what he's doing. Hank is now operating completely outside the norms. And the person he's investigating isn't some random criminal. It's his own brother. Jesse's mental state continues to worsen. After all that's happened, he can't just return to normal life. He knows that the people around him have been killed. He knows that Mike is dead. And he knows Walt has lied to him over and over. Jesse desperately wants to believe that Walt is still capable of caring for her. But deep down, he's starting to understand a terrible thing. Walt no longer sees Jesse as a partner. He sees it as a problem that needs to be controlled. And that feeling becomes one of the biggest twists of the season. Walt is also thinking about his family. Her cancer is no longer the only thing she worries about. His biggest concern is what will happen to his money and family when everything is destroyed. Walt wants to make sure his kids get the money he believes they earn. But there's a problem. His family doesn't want his money. They want Walt to stay away from them. Skylar has become more afraid of her husband. She understands that the man standing in front of her is no longer the Walter White she once knew. And while Walt tries to convince him that what he did was for the family, Skylar's reaction makes the truth painfully clear. She doesn't believe it anymore. Walt's paranoia continues to grow. He knows Hank is getting close. He knows Jesse is getting unpredictable. And he knows his family is slipping. Instead of surrendering, Walt prepares for war. He starts to think about taking several steps forward. That's what makes the Walt so dangerous. He's not necessarily the strongest person in the room. He's not the best fighter. But he's constantly calculating. Every conversation becomes a potential trap. Every relationship becomes a potential weapon.
The Empire is rising. Secrets, betrayal, transformation.